Hey, what is going on, guys? So a quick review of my new Honey Can Do rolling storage cart and organizer, which has 12 plastic drawers here. You have four on one side, four small ones on this side, four small ones on the other side, and we have four total bigger ones on here. Let me just start off. I do like this. The only thing is I originally got this because I wanted this to be able to slide under my desk. But there's no way that this is going to slide under my desk. I have several different desks, and none of them this will fit underneath. I kind of wanted to clear out what's under my desk. Anyways, even if I took the wheels off, it is not going to slide under a typical size or standard size desk. Anyways, you do have wheels on here, and what's pretty cool, you do have individual locks. Each of the wheels have its own like lock where it'll basically just lock in place. And you can see that all the drawers are pretty clear, and on the top up here as well you have this metal top here with holes in it. Let me bring you a little bit closer here. So you can see the top here, it has like these holes here. Let me open up one of these drawers here, and you can see that there's just holes in all of them here, and you do have like these handles here, and it rolls around nice and smooth. I mean, I really like it. The only thing is, like I said, it doesn't fit under my desk where I can like put all this clutter like in here. And it was really easy to put together. All the drawers slide in and out pretty easily. Let me pull this one out. You can see how the layout is. And let me go ahead and slide this one back into the groove right there. And like I said, you get like four bigger bins here, like on the bottom. Everything slides in and out very easy. So I definitely like it overall. I just wish that it was like a little bit smaller. Like I said, even if I took the wheels off, it still would not slide under a standard sized desk. And I'll show you from above here. You can see that metal on there. And I'll go ahead and spin this around. Give you like a side view here. I'll show you what the back looks like. And let's go ahead and flip this back around just like that. Well, just a quick review. Thanks for watching, guys. And I will see you on the next one.